What's up, guys? This is I'm probably like 2 months into this keto thing, and I have to say, besides the fact that the weight is really slowly starting to come off, I really want to cheat. And when I mean cheat, I don't mean no sugar. I mean pizza. I want some pizza, like some Domino's. I know that stuff is made with sugar, and I know that stuff, even if they don't put sugar in it, it's gonna turn into sugar. So it's not easy being keto. So obviously I can't do that. So I have to incorporate this in my life, and I know it's not good, but I don't care. I don't care if I don't have a reward system in my life, then I'm not going to be happy. I'm not going to be content. I'm not going to have this keto in my life. I won't be able to sustain it. It's not possible. It is physically impossible, in my opinion, to sustain a ketogenic diet, whatever the hell you want to call it, without pleasuring the centers of the brain. You have to stimulate them. You have to stimulate your center of the brain, because if you do not, you will fall short of your goal. You will fail, my friend. You will fail. And hold up. Let me get my Ziva mixture. Okay, this is Steva. This is about what 4 ounces of Jack Daniels, and it's a can, or almost a half a can of Ziva cream soda. And prior to this, I had what was it? 4 ounces of Jack Daniels with another half a can of root beer, Ziva. And I want you guys to know what Ziva is. It's a company makes it, and Steva. It's sweetened with Stevia. Stevia does not register in the blood sugar, so therefore it cannot kick you out of ketosis, and you're pretty much good to go. You can take a burger, go to Burger King, get a burger, take the bun off. Obviously don't order anything like ketchup or mayonnaise or anything like that that has sugar in it. And then you can open a can of Ziva and just, keto on. But on the weekends, I keto. I keto the best way I know how. Jack Daniels. The reason why? There is no carbohydrates in this whatsoever. It's been, I guess they call it distilled or whatever the hell you want to call it. Well, I guess, but there's no sugar in it, guys. There's sugar alcohols, but there's always going to be sugar alcohols and stuff. But sugar alcohols, they dissolve before they even hit the liver. And I know when I want a ketogenic diet, ketogenic diet, whatever when you want to call it. I know every ounce of alcohol I consume takes the liver an hour to process, but it doesn't matter because that's 1 hour I'm not eating sugar, real sugar, refined sugar, and this is what I'm talking about right here, zero. And if you look, my friend, if you are skeptical, there is no sugar in this. I know it's kind of hard to see because I think it's reversed or whatever, but there's no sugar in it. No sugar. No sugar. And that makes it awesome. Alright, guys. Peace. And stay salty.